Wait, before you spend another hour hunting for overlays and sound effects online, just stop, because I've got something way better and it's completely free. Here's what most editors in the USA are dealing with right now. You find a trending overlay pack, get excited, download it, and then you see it. For commercial use, license required. That's the moment the whole thing falls apart. You either risk a copyright strike or you start all over again. Sound familiar? Now imagine this. You open one link, you download a full trending pack overlays, motion elements, and no copyright sound effects all in one place. No licensed drama, no hidden fees, no strikes. You just drop them into Premiere Pro or After Effects and get straight to editing. That's exactly what I'm sharing today. I've handpicked a pack that's trending right now in 2026, and honestly, the sound effects alone are worth it. But here's the part most creators skip, and it's the reason their videos still don't get views, even with good overlays. I'll get to that in just a second. The full pack is linked in the description right below this video. Download it now. These free resources don't stay available forever, and this one is already getting picked up fast. Also, quick question. Are you just collecting packs, or are you actually using them to make cinematic videos? Because there's a difference. And that difference is skill.